Here we have some data. We have the price of the items and we want to make a profit of say 5% or 10% or 15% or 20% on this price. Then how to do the calculations? So invariably what happens is we tend to do a calculation for one of these cells and then drag it along. So for each row, that means 5 times we need to do it. Or if we are doing it for the columns, we need to do it 4 times. So instead of this, we are going to learn a simple method which will help us to calculate this only once and use the fill handle to get all this. So how we can do this is what we are going to see now. Welcome to Xanthus Institute and our channel has been providing lot of videos which enlighten you about the different office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and I'm sure you must have watched other videos. You can subscribe to us. Please like the video if you like the video and share it with your friends so that we are able to reach out to people who are having a requirement. So let's see how to do this now. For this, first and foremost, we will put an equal to sign and we want to give 5% of this 135. So the price should be 135 plus the 5%. So for that, what we shall do is we shall select this. Okay, so now we want this to change. We want this to change how the column that is there, that is the G column, should remain the G column, but the row should change. To do this, what we can do is we can press the function key F4. It will give you dollar G $8. If you press it once again, it gives you G $8. And if you press it once again, it will give you dollar G8. This is what we want. That is, the column should be fixed, but the row should change. Now we'll put a plus sign. And now what we shall do is we will use the bracket. Now we want to multiply 5% of 135 and add it to this 135. So for that we will click on 135 again, that is G8, and again we will get it as $G8. That is, we are going to again fix the column and allow the row to change. And then we will multiply this with 5%. Now again in this 5%, we want the row to remain the same, but the column should keep changing. So for this, we shall press the F4 key again. So we will make the row as a constant and the column to change. So we will get $7. With this, we'll close the bracket and we will press enter. So we have got this number as a percentage because the cell seems to be formatted in the percentage format. So I'll just go to the format here and make this a number. Okay, so now we have a number here. Now this formula can be copied in any direction. So if I copy it in the column direction, it will give me the answer. And if I copy it in the row direction also, it will give me the number. If you are seeing hashes, it's because the column width is not sufficient to show you the data, which I am just adjusting now. So you can see now we calculated only once and we used it repeatedly for both the columns and the rows. This type of reference is also called as a mixed reference, and this automates your job very nicely. I'm sure you will be very happy with this automation technique, and this is a very powerful technique which can be used in all the calculations. See you again next time, but don't forget to like this video and share this video with everyone. Thank you. See you again.